Welcome to Larab Tech. Today our discussion about the new Vivo X90 Pro. Today, we will explore the features and benefits of this top-performing smartphone. The Vivo X90 Pro boasts a certified compliance with Zeiss T** coating on all rear cameras, which allows for more image clarity, reduced ghosting and flare, and richer night scenes. It even has an AI night view that improves colors and authenticity for incomparable beauty in night shots. The 50mm Zeiss portrait camera creates high-quality shots with sharp focus and natural color transitions. Additionally, the Zeiss cinematic video bokeh brings every subject into sharp focus and a cinematic feel, while the zero shutter lag motion snapshot captures everything with zero delay with its 50MP Zeiss main camera and 12MP ultra-wide camera. Along with a 32MP front selfie camera, the Vivo X90 Pro provides absolute sharpness, brightness, and clarity in every moment you capture. It also has a stabilization system that offers twice the performance of standard OIS, for in-1 pixel binning, and 8 lenses, the outer one made of glass, for amazing results. The Vivo X90 Pro also features two processors, the flagship Dimensity 9200 5G 4nm processor and the customized Vivo V2 chip. With LPDDR5X enhanced memory, RAM, Res. UFS 4.0 and MCQ space, and 8GB extended RAM 3.0 for memory expansion, the Vivo X90 Pro is designed to get stronger every day. It also has Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.2 and ultra-fast 5G connectivity for optimal performance. The Vivo X90 Pro's 4870 mAh dual-cell battery and 120W flash charge technology offers two charging modes, fast charging mode and balanced mode, with TV Rhineland Safe Fast Charge certification. With fast charging mode, you can replenish 50% of the battery within 8 minutes and 10 seconds, while the 50W wireless flash charge allows for charging without cables. The Vivo X90 Pro's amazing AMOLED 6.78 1.5K Ultra Vision screen offers a 120Hz refresh rate and 2160Hz PWM, pulse width modulation, displaying up to 1.07 billion colors, covering 100% of the DCI-P3 color space, and achieving up to 1300 nits maximum brightness, LPB. It also provides anti-fatigue and brightness adjustment protections, as well as smart eye and protection modes at the chip level. The sound offered by the dual stereo speakers of the Vivo X90 Pro is richer, deeper, and more realistic. Combined with the X-axis linear motor and vibration feedback, you feel like part of the game you are playing. Finally, you can personalize your Vivo X90 Pro with FunTouch OS 13, Android 13, and change UI colors and icons to make it truly unique and yours. You can stick with a physical SIM or choose to go fully digital with an eSIM, and leverage the NFC chip for faster and more efficient software customization. Overall, the Vivo X90 Pro offers top performance, stunning camera capabilities, lightning-fast charging, immersive display, and personalized features, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a high-end smartphone. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe the channel for more tech videos.